Hi guys, welcome back to Perfectly Imperfect Gardening with me, Tanya. Today I will be finally getting this pond completed. So this is going to be part 2 of the pond video that I couldn't complete because of my health. We are finally going to get it done today. Yoo-hoo! So if you're interested in seeing how this pond gonna turn out, this is the video for you. And also remember, this is not a how-to. Not by a long shot, because it's the first time I ever did anything like this. Everything that I'll be doing will be the first time I did it. You guys can at least know what to do and what not to do if you try to do this pond. So let's get this camera turned around and let's get started. Okay, this the pond so far. I got to get a brick to put up top. I'm gonna put in some plants. Turned over, but I'm gonna get some plants in. And right here I'm gonna put a table and a bench that's supposed to be delivered, and I have something that I'm gonna put on top of the waterfall. Hey guys, my stuff have been delivered. The 3 things I told you guys that I was waiting for that was special for the pond in the pond area has arrived. So I'm finna show you guys because I'm so excited. So let's get over there. A cement table for some good picnics. Be able to sit around the pond and eat lunch or whatever. I got that, and then I got this umbrella. It's a very beautiful blue umbrella. I got the unbox. I'm just gonna sit it there for now. The second thing is this bench. The table and the bench, number 2. And so far I got these flowers in here and put some decorations around the pond. Here, let me give you a look from this angle. Yeah, I'm gonna put the top. So around in there. Now we're gonna put a rock on top up here, and then I could put the 3rd thing on, which I will show you guys in a minute. Y'all, number 3. Ain't he neat? I always wanted one of those on my wall because I'm a fisherwoman. Used to love for my eyes got super bad. But I can get my own little statue. Okay guys, I almost forgot that I have to put in these water lilies. That's how it's supposed to look right there. Hopefully. It says just take it out and drop it into the pond. This one's saying the deepest part, and this one's saying the shallow part. But I'm gonna put some soil in it to try to give it more nutrients. And these are what they call aquatic plant baskets. Here. And you put the soil in it and you slowly put it down into the pond. I don't know how it's gonna work. It might turn out good. There's that chance that it might not. But that's the chance that some people have to take. This right here is lily calla. I'm gonna put this also in one of these baskets. But I'm only gonna put it in to the top of the root ball because the root ball don't like The top of the root ball don't like to be submerged under, but the roots can take excess water. They don't get waterlogged or root rot like some other plants when they sit into water. So let's get this done so we can get this pond done. It's been a while, long time waiting. First I'm gonna put the soil in here. Ooh, don't have my gloves, but that's okay because I'm always inside the soil. I like the feel of it. Ooh, I forgot to take the picture. The feel of it inside between my fingers. A lot of people don't like soil, the way soil feels, but I do. As long as you wash your hands good before you touch your face and mouth. Yeah, I don't even know if I got the right kind of soil for this or not, if it matters or not. I'm just going for it. And I'm showing you guys, in case if it don't work, you know not to do this. If it works, maybe you could try it for yourself. This is the soil that I had because it was on sale. This is how it looks. It's in a net and they keep it protected from the koi fish because they say they just want you to throw it down into the pond. That's what the directions say. Y'all don't try this until y'all see how mine's turn out. Just in case, save your money, let me waste mine. So, I'm gonna try this one. Ooh, your sight bad, it's hard to put stuff in the little hole. Feel for it. But I'm so used to it. Alright, this gonna float up top. Let me know which basket is which. Feel for it, feel for it. Oh. Tied to this basket. Now I know this one is this. And now I'm gonna do this pretty Louisiana iris, which like the shallower water. Some of y'all already know if this might work already or not. Might be cringing your teeth at me. Like, ooh. Some of y'all might be like, oh, it's gonna work, it's gonna work, I know it's gonna work. But it's fun to find out. Write in the comment if y'all think it's gonna work or not. What y'all think? Is this just gonna make my pool muddy? I'm not pool pond muddy. Knew my brain was gonna wake up 1 minute other than that. Alright. This is how that's supposed to look. Got gravel in the bottom. Try not to cover the top. All right, now for the lily. This is actually a canna lily, not a real lily, but we're gonna see how it works. Got it from off clearance. It's all whoppy and all that. I got it for cheap, so if it don't make it, at least I ain't pay full price. First, I'm gonna sit it in here. It's sitting in water now. Soil on the bottom. I hope I'm not messing this up. But I like to take chances. Take my chances. I want this to be up like this. Make sure it don't be underwater. Like that. Yep. Now for the fill around it. That is that. Now all I have to do is take it over to the pond and put it in. So let's go to the pond. Put this canna lily here. I might gotta put some rocks. Yeah. Putting some of these rocks here down there so it can make the pot rise a little higher. I don't want this top part to be under the water. Like so. This lily like to be deep. It's the deep one. So I'm gonna slowly guess I would have to get a net for that. Last but not least, move this peacock out the way. She like shallow. Oh, it's not working. Oh, it's just muddying up the water. Dang, I was on a roll till I got to this one. Whew. Mess that water up. Okay, I'm gonna clean this stuff out of the water. I put it down too fast. It kind of slipped out my hand. But that's okay. We know why they say enter it in slowly. At least I got 2 out of 3 the first time. Okay, that's the canna lily right there. I made sure the top of the root ball isn't under the water. And I put the lily, that one that's floating over there, the reproduction, right here in the front because it like deep water. And I put the lily over here because it like shallow water, the one I had the problem with. So that's so far. And I also have some more artificial that I'm putting here into these flowers and lily pads take over. These are the artificial ones. You just stick the bottle into this hole like so, and then you have this. You stick this on. I have to feel because I cannot see it. Okay, good. I think that's it. Which will hold it in place, and then you just throw it in the pond. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm put them in the pond. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, this is them inside of the pond. I think they turned out very pretty. It's gorgeous. So let's get to the next step. Okay, since we got all that done so far, now I have to do the other side over here. Put flowers all around here to make this aesthetically pleasing to the eye also. Okay, he took up that guava plant that was there hanging over the pond. He took that up for me, and we're going to replace it with the hibiscus plant. So that's what he's doing now. When we're done with that, we'll be finished, and I'll be able to give you a finished tour. Alright, we got the hibiscus down. We have one more flower to go. One more plant to go. Succulent aloe vera. The hibiscus he just put down. So pretty. We done with that. We could do the tour. Write down in the comments what you think below. Let me give you a look beginning of the garden. My garden entrance. Here. And here is the pond. Right in the middle. And I love it. I want to thank you guys so much for staying to the end of this video. I want to thank my hubby.
No, you're welcome, sweetheart. My pleasure.
For all his help. He digged the hole for me. He put the pool liner in. He helped me with the heavy rocks. Helped me put and install flowers and plants. What was the hardest part for you?
Digging that hole for the pool. Had to redig it a couple of times to get it right. But
And get it leveled.
I got it though.
Probably, yeah. But y'all, thank you so much. I hope you guys like it. And we're gonna see you later.